Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. You ever come in, got nothing for supper, and you need to fix something right quick? Well, the gadget that I have in my house is called an Instant Pot, and we've learned a few tricks with it. So if you need something for your family real quick, this is the answer. So hang tight. Okay, so let's get this cranked off. We're gonna take a pound of hamburger meat. This is just normal 80-20. I'm gonna put it in the Instant Pot. I've got this on saute, as you see. I let it get up till it said it was hot. And I'm going to take this chop stirrer and get this meat separated pretty good. And to start with, I'm going to use, what else? This is Italian seasoning. I'm going to take, I like to put my seasoning on the meat so it flavors pretty much everything. Sometimes you just have to take the top off to get the seasoning you want on it. And the last thing I'm going to put on it, not least of course, this is Uncle Steve's Shake. This is Gator Shake. I'm going to take probably about maybe a tablespoon of Gator Shake and put on it. That is the perfect addition. Gator Shake goes with everything, but just wait till you try it with your spaghetti. Oh my goodness, it's good stuff. Let's get this browned up, and I want to keep it stirred. Okay, so we're going to turn this off, and next we have a pound. Now this is half length. It doesn't make any difference if that's what you use. You can break regular length spaghetti noodles in half. All I want to do is take this as I put it in, and I want to crisscross it so it doesn't pile up like that. Next, this is just a normal spaghetti sauce. You use what you like. I'm going to take and pour this over the top. I'm going to shake up just about a jar of water, and I'm going to pour it in over the top of it. I'm going to take, this is a can of Rotel. I'm going to put it in. And if one's good, let's add another one. Let's do 2 cans. That's 2 10-ounce cans of Rotel. Let's stir this down in it. And that's all we're going to do to it. It's covered. Let's put the top on. Make sure it's locked. Make sure it's on seal. Now we're going to go to manual. Our pressure cook. We're going to take this down to 8 minutes. And we're going to let it go 8 minutes. And once we do on high pressure at 8 minutes, we'll bring you back. Okay, you can see we let it naturally vent. Let's take the top off. And let's stir it up. See what we've got here. Oh, that looks pretty. Oh yeah, that's done. All right, let's let this rest just a little bit, and then we're going to the plate. All right, well, there's nothing to do but fix ourselves a plate here. You should smell this. There we go. That's a plate full. Well, bite of spaghetti. The spaghetti is cooked just right. You need to do it in a hurry. Instant Pot is the way to do it. That gator shake mixed with that Italian seasoning, oh my gosh, you got to try this. I definitely am going back for seconds. Delicious. Hey, thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe, won't cost a dime. Over here, I'll have another video just for you, whether you do or not. Until next time, hey, hang tight.